Installing a PCIe riser assembly. If the interface plate was removed, place it on the node and then secure it with two Torx T10 screws. Replace the interface plate gap pad. Fasten one hex standoff screw to the cold plate. Align the tab on the PCIe riser assembly with the slot on the front of the node, and then insert the PCIe riser assembly into the system board. Secure the riser assembly with one screw. Install the clamp bracket and fasten the captive screw. Fasten the captive screw on the PCIe riser assembly. Install the heat pipe beam and secure it with one screw. Install the cable on the system board. Install the cross braces. Install the tray cover.